Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can back up your archive before Instagram delete them. So there's been a rumor going around. I've seen it on TikTok that Instagram will delete the archive feature. So where your stories on the archive will be deleted and it will turn videos into photos or slideshows. So if you want to save your memories by backing up or save your archive, you can just follow these steps. First, you just open your Instagram and then head to your profile and then click on the three lines at the top. Go to the account center and then in here scroll down until you find this your information and permissions options. Tap on the download your informations, and now here you can just click on this download or transfer information. Choose the account, tap on next, and here you can just choose all available information or some of your information. So I'm going to just go with all, including my archive, photos, or everything. Here you can choose between download or transfer. So if you want to transfer, you can choose between to transfer it into Dropbox or your Google Drive. But if you want to save it, you can just click on download to device, and in here you can choose the format and the media quality. For example, for the format, I'm going to go just with the HTML. Now you can just click on create files. So after that, your informations will be available here. You can see now it's requested, so you can just wait until Instagram send me the information. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.